First, thank you for purchasing Gigs Academy Admin template. After purchasing, how to install it and build a HTML template and how the Gulp workflow work. So first we go with the zip. If you purchasing Gigs, and you will get this Gigs zip version 1.00. Now I am going to extract it. After extracting it, I'm use the Visual Studio. So just go with this, and I drag Gigs folder in Visual Studio. You will get a new window of Gigs. In Gigs, you see already one dist folder is available with simple HTML. You just use this HTML and build your website. And if you want to go with the Gulp.js and Gulp workflow, you need to start terminal first. I just start terminal. You must check your path is already in your folder, and now I just run it here Gulp. As you purchased theme, and after you just run Gulp, you will find some error like you need to npm install. Now I'm going to install npm. It will take some time to install npm. After installing, a Gulp file will be run. So let's wait for some times to install Gulp. You will see here the entire Gulp file is here, so you can easily understand how it is work and how it is work. So the Gulp is built with the latest version of Gulp. Here is the Gulp.js file, and you will get started here. If you are beginner and you want to learn Gulp, then this will be very helpful, and how to create a workflow for Gulp. So let's we check our theme. Now it's still installing. There are a lot of data to in npm install library and everything, so it will take some time. Now where you are here, okay, now the npm install in our folder. I'm just run now Gulp. You will see the server will automatic start with Gulp, and the server is localhost 3000. Now you will see the demo is working on server. See, your all pages is working fine now with server. See this page and admin dashboard, and everything is working fine with Gulp.js. It's an entirely demo built with the Gulp.js. So now I'm going to Visual Studio, and you will see, you will find the temp folder src and this. Now I'm going to create a dist folder again. I just Control C and Gulp build. Now you will find it. If you make some changes in src file, you will get to build dist folder. Now you will see the temp folder will be built, and again dist folder will be built. So your entire changes will available in dist folder. So these are very initial. Now I am going to folder and open a gigs and see. You will see the date. It will be updated at 31st January 11. So now these you have a new HTML. If you don't want to use Gulp, you can use HTML from dist folder. Thank you. If you have any queries or any questions, please comment below so we can reply you as soon as possible. Thank you, and please subscribe.